Come to Bahrain.
While returning from Georgia, our connecting flight from Bahrain got postponed by one day, so the airlines provided us accommodation and visa in Bahrain. Hence, here we are, soaking in the night views of Bahrain while going to our hotel. This is the hotel we are staying in, which is located in Manama. Although we were tired, we were excited by the idea of getting to explore Bahrain for a day. This is our room, which also came with a balcony, but it was closed to keep the air conditioning intact in the hot weather of Bahrain. Soon after we checked in, we headed for dinner. We were the only people at the dinner buffet in the hotel, so we got to enjoy the food in peace. Since we were having Georgian food for the past week, it felt good to have some rice and lentils, which tasted like home. I ended dinner with few desserts because calories don't count when you're traveling. We started the next day with a delicious breakfast spread in the hotel. The breakfast buffet had anything and everything that you would like to have for breakfast. So we took our time and enjoyed the breakfast. The hotel is right in the heart of Bahrain, and we are staying on the 26th floor, offering stunning views of the city. Bahrain is a small island where modern skylines meet ancient traditions in the heart of the Arabian Gulf. Even one day is enough to experience its charm. Our first stop was the Al Fateh Grand Mosque, a true architectural masterpiece and one of the largest mosques in the world, with a space for over 7,000 worshippers. Built in 1987 and named after Ahmad Al Fateh, the founder of Bahrain, this mosque is a symbol of the nation's history and faith. Its massive central dome, made entirely of fiberglass, is the largest of its kind in the world and weighs over 60 tons. The marble floors are from Italy, the intricate chandeliers are from Austria, and the elegant hand-carved doors are crafted using teak wood from India. Inside the mosque, a soft light filled the space, highlighting walls decorated with beautiful Islamic calligraphy. The serene atmosphere, combined with its rich design details, makes the Al Fateh Grand Mosque not just a place of worship, but a cultural and architectural gem of Bahrain. Our next stop was the Avenues Mall, Bahrain's largest shopping and leisure destination, stretching along the beautiful Manama waterfront. Inspired by an open-air street market but fully air-conditioned, it's a perfect mix of luxury brands, local boutiques, and endless dining options. Whether you're here to shop, eat, or just stroll by the water, the Avenues is more than a mall, it's an experience. We spent some time browsing the shops, but soon our little one decided he had had enough of shopping. So we headed to the play area, the perfect spot for him to run around and have some fun while we took a breather. He happily spent the next hour on slides and trampolines, burning off all that extra energy. After that, we strolled around for a while and ended up at Lulu Hypermarket, the perfect place to grab some last-minute treats. We picked up a stash of chocolates to take back home because no trip is complete without a little sweet souvenir. We made it back to the hotel for a short rest before heading to the airport at night. Our one day in Bahrain fell short, but it was packed with experiences, from exploring its stunning mosque to strolling around the Avenues Mall. and enjoying the city's vibrant vibe. And to our surprise, the little one had most fun at the airport, watching planes and running around before our flight. And that's a wrap on our Bahrain adventure. Small country, big memories. If you liked watching this video, do subscribe to my channel. Bye.